Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Well, today I'm going to share a tutorial. So this tutorial is made through the case that I found here in our community. So this question is coming from Mette Møller Renard. So I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name. Well, the question is, how do I get myself inside a circle with my head still sticking out of the top? I'm pretty sure I've done this before, but I'm completely blank. Well, I'm here to help you. I'm challenged myself to make this one just to help everyone, just to help others as well. Well, to execute this kind of design, then to answer your questions, let's go to the working area and I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you how to make this one, but I will ask your permission. I'm going to use your image. I will just copy it. I'm going to use it because you are asking for it. All right, so there you go. And now here I have in here your image, and I'm going to crop this one because I'm going to get your image. Alright, so before I continue this one, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sharma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. Alright, so now we are one step closer to the to your questions, and now just click this image after you reduce or crop the image. So edit image. Now we're going to remove the background. I'm going to remove your background, okay, because I don't get your original. So to use this one, I need to remove your background, your picture background. Now I need to click this one. So this background remover, you must have, to access this one, you must have a CANVA Pro account. So if you don't have yet one, so you can get this one from the link that I put on my video descriptions. This link is official link from CANVA because I was affiliated with CANVA. So if you use this link, this one is a big help for me so that I can get token from CANVA if you use this one to activate your CANVA Pro account. But if you're already CANVA Pro users, you don't have to do it. So you just keep watching and that's fair enough. Alright guys, so the aim of having CANVA Pro account, so just to smooth the way like this one I did right now. So if the background is already gone, so you just apply on it and easily and just wait. Alright, so before we go in there now, I need to duplicate this picture by pressing Ctrl C and release it. Yeah, Ctrl V. And then we need to get this one more element is frame. So just go to element and click and type frame, and it will show you here frame. Okay, it will pop up in here, and on the first row there is a picture. The name of this one is circle frame. Okay, so all we're gonna do here, okay, we need to duplicate this one as well. Okay, just later on I'm going to show you. And now we need to put this one inside by dragging. Okay, dragging it inside, and after that you can resize how big, because you say that your question is how to get myself inside the circle with my head still sticking out of the top. Okay, so sticking your head out. Alright, so make sure all the things inside the circle. So when I put your head sticking out still, now release it. Okay, so there's a part is gone. So what we're gonna do is right now is, so this one we need to range more, put yes, and a little bit over here. Okay, all right, so it's up to you. How would you like to resize later on? How would you like your head sticking out? But this is just a sample how to remind you again how to make this kind of design. Okay, so all we're gonna do is here right now we need to put this one backward. Okay, it's already okay. Now reduce this one so that we can see the original, and make sure do not click on here, otherwise it will go. So all we're gonna do here, just click on the top. Okay, just click on the top and you can resize how big is the picture, the previous one. You can arrange. Now if you see, it's already match and fix, and you can arrange and move to the right side and left side. Now it's almost there. Okay, all right, so this is the way how to execute this kind of design, and I hope after watching this tutorial you can make it. Now we return back the transparency, the first one, and after this click the picture that we put behind. Now we need to crop. Okay, as you see, it's gone. Okay, crop this one, and then after that crop this one. Now your head is already outside, but the problem is we don't see if you are inside a circle, but we need to change. So this is the aim of duplicating of this frame, circle frame, and we just change the color. You can change the color as you desire, like this. I'm going to use this one, or maybe brown, or yeah, maybe this one. Okay, I will just use this one, and you can put behind. Okay, so we don't change the size, we just put behind and backward, and make sure, okay, once you do this one, make sure the picture behind you need to put forward, so that the border of the circle, it will not so that it will not seen in here, so invisible. All right, so I think your question is done, and I hope after watching this tutorial you can make it. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support. But if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching. That's fair enough. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Well, I forgot it. So if you like to put some elements behind, for example, if you like to get some shadow, round shadow, okay, round shadow, you can put this round shadow behind. Okay, there you go. So if you like to put round shadow behind this, you can do it. Okay, you can do it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe this channel to support. But if you don't like to get any notification from the channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching, and that's fair enough. Thank you, and see you again for the next tutorial. Bye bye.